Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up AT&T Internet Air 2025 step by step. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, scan the QR code on the box using your smartphone camera. Then tap the notification to open the link in your browser. Over here, download the Smart Home Manager app from your App Store or go to app.com/shm on your smartphone. After that, open the Smart Home Manager app. Then tap Sign in if you've already registered your Internet Air service. If not, tap Setup Equipment and scan the QR code on the base of your All-Fi hub when prompted. Then, on the Let's begin your AT&T Internet Air setup screen, tap Get Started and follow the prompts to set up your All-Fi hub. Over here, place your All-Fi hub. To find the direction of your closest signal tower, tap Help me find this direction. After that, plug in your All-Fi hub and follow the prompts in the app to test signal strength at your location. The All-Fi hub display will guide you to ensure a strong signal. Then connect your devices using the Wi-Fi name and password displayed in the Smart Home Manager app. So that's basically how you can set up AT&T Internet Air 2025 step by step. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.